Very nice.
Maddie, what are you doing? Are you playing with the dog? Is that Copper? What are you having for a snack? Is that an apple? Yeah, I have an apple for my snack. Nummy. Are you gonna dance to the music? Dance for mommy. All right, here, I'll play it and you dance. Okay, do his turn. Do a turnaround. That's nice. Do you turn around in a circle like this? Turn. Yay, Cookie. Want another song? You gonna dance with your doll? You can dance with your doll. Oh, she's eating the apple. Was it good? Did the doll like the apple? Okay, so Copper. Does Copper like it? Oh, you're gonna get his big blanket. You wanna play tug of war with Coppy?
That's Copper's blanket, Maddie, dude.